I will never see Earth the same way after discovering these mind-blowing spots. Ready to get your mind blown? First stop, the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia. Imagine stepping onto Mars neon lakes, sulfur springs, and a landscape that's hot, hot, hot. Next, welcome to the Waitomo Glowworm Caves in New Zealand, where twinkling glowworms light up the caves like a starry night. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Now, off to Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat. After rain, it turns into a giant mirror, making you feel like you're walking on the sky. Finally, let's jet to Socotra Island, Yemen. Home to dragon blood trees, weird umbrella-like plants that make you ask, what planet am I on? So, pack those bags and get ready for an out-of-this-world adventure, right here on Earth. Safe travels, cosmic explorers!